All right, we are currently up here on deck 6. So a lot of times around the elevator areas, they have artwork on each of the decks. This is going to be deck 6 right here. Now deck 6 is cabins. However, here in the midship elevator, between the two midship elevators, they also have the future cruise desk, or the next cruise desk. So if you want to book another cruise while you are on board, this is where you would come to the next cruise desk. And this is deck 6, midship. You can see the promenade there behind us. Take a look at the artwork here on the other side. They have the artwork on both sides. All right, we're going to head on up now to deck number 7. All right, we have the library on deck 7. Overlooks the promenade. Let's see here. Has the guest book exchange. Not a lot of books in the actual library right now, but it does have some nice comfortable chairs to sit in. Looks up onto deck 8, which is the internet lounge. The internet cafe is above us here. You got Tiffany over there reading a book. Now the rest of deck 7 is, cabins. But there is the library here on deck 7, and of course this is midship. And then we're going to go to deck 7 forward. One thing I've noticed here at the decks, and it's right here around the elevators. If you come over here, and then here on deck 7, of course, you have your elevator banks here, and they have the interactive screens. So like right now it tells you, what you can do right now. And they have these on each of the desks. On each of the decks. That one doesn't seem to be working at the moment, but it also shows you exactly where you are on the ship at this time. And then you also let you know, deck 7, starboard side, forward is to the left, aft is to the rear. So they got a lot of signage letting you know where you're at. But they also they put artwork out. So there's different sections of art here on deck 7. You come all the way down, and you have some more here. I'll go back around this way. I'll show you the other side. Of course, there are stairs going up and down on both sides over here. If we go here to the other side of the library, you have more elevators on this side, more stairs on this side, and then you also have more art on this side. It's just some little added touches they've done to the ship. here. For you to take a look at. Alright, so like I said, this is deck 7 midship. Now we're going to go up to deck 7 forward and show you up there. Alright, so we're approaching deck 7 forward. I said, again, they have the artwork outside. And then you go here. And same thing we saw, elevators, or stairs, elevators. Now here they have seating areas. And they have the ship model. Here, some more artwork on the wall back there. Your elevators on this side. And then we come out here and we have some more artwork. Here on the side. And a view from the other end of the promenade. So this is looking aft out over the promenade here. And it's kind of neat if you look, they have these little cutouts right here, the little balconies, and they have them on both sides right here. And you can actually go out on those. There's event stuff going on in the promenade. You can simply walk over here, past the elevators, and boom, walk right out on one of these and get yourself a whole different view of the promenade. You can see all the way down there. Including Tiffany sitting right there. She's like, he's filming again, I'm gonna go sit down. Of course, they got their Texas Pride flag up. Alright, and that is deck 7. Like I said, the remainder of deck 7 is cabins. So now we're going to go ahead and go up to deck 8. Alright, we are now up here on deck number 8. Now, deck number 8, just like 6 and 7, is all cabins. However, it does have the RC Royal Caribbean Online, and this is deck 8 midship. See the Royal Caribbean Online. Yep, and then deck 9 and deck 10 are just staterooms for deck 9 and deck 10. So our next stop is going to be deck 11.